knowing how to pull files from the web is a core skill. Let's compare urllib and request side by side. urllib is best for scripts where you need zero external dependencies. Its biggest pro is that it is built in. You can run your script on any machine with Python installed. However, the API can feel a bit clunky and less intuitive. On the other hand, requests is usually the better choice for most use cases. Using requests, the code is readable and the error handling is a bit simpler. It is feature rich and makes handling things like sessions and complex authentication easier. The only downside is that it is an external dependency, so you have to ensure it is installed in your environment before you execute your script. Coming to streaming, streaming is excellent for large files because it handles them without loading everything into memory. And it supports real-time data processing, like unzipping a file while it downloads. It is also efficient for low bandwidth situations. However, streaming does include some complexity. The code is longer, and you have to manage the loop and file writing manually. It can also be harder to debug if the connection drops in the middle of a stream, and it requires you to be more careful with resource management, and you need to ensure connections are closed properly. Now that you know the pros and cons of URL request and streaming downloads, let's look at some factors that should guide your decision-making process. Here are the 4 main factors I consider when choosing a method. First is file size. If the file is large, you should use streaming for efficiency. Second is ease of use. If you want code that is quick to write and easy to read, start with requests. Third is performance. urllib can sometimes be slightly faster for very basic tasks because it has less overhead. But requests offer connection pooling, which speeds up multiple downloads from the same server. Finally, consider dependencies. If you are writing a script for a system where you don't have permission to install packages, urllib is the safer, more portable bet. Here is my rule of thumb for almost every project I work on. First, if you are downloading a single small file like a JSON configuration, a small image, or a text document, just use requests.get. It is the most readable and standard way to do it. Second, if you are dealing with a single large file, something like a video or a database, stick with requests, but make sure you use the streaming method that we have discussed. Your script remains stable and does not crash your computer. Finally, if you are working in an environment where you cannot install external packages or you want to write a script that anyone can run immediately without setup, urllib is the best tool. It's always there and it gets the job done.